俺の心はマキマさんが見つけてくれた。
Yeah.
だから俺の心はマキマさんだけのもんだ。
So we know he's a simp for Makima, okay? Yeah, we all remember that.
でも体が勝手に。
What? What's the new lady? What's the new lady? What? Okay, there she is. That's that was a dream. Okay, look at this shit. That is so cool. That frame is so good. Okay.
夢じゃね
Oh my god. They changed the style. It's more colorful now. They changed it because there were too many people saying it was gloomy, dark maybe, and the manga is supposed to be all colorful, and they changed it. So now they listen to what the community said and they're doing different things, I guess. This is the same scene they put in the last trailer. So they're redoing scenes. That's kind of a weak move.
ありました。
ケンジ君みたいな面白い人初めて。
Oh shit.
私の名前レゼ。
Holy. But I don't know which one I prefer. I mean, physically, maybe face-wise, I don't know. Makima or Resi. Maybe I'm going towards Resi. I don't know. But who cares? What am I talking about? This ain't no smash or pass or some shit. What am I?
好きな人が2人できちまったよ。誰だと思う？
Oh, that's some.
レンジ君、私の他に好きな人いるでしょ。
My Jangas, what? Did you show they kissed? Isn't that a little bit of a spoiler, guys? That's a spoiler for like 2.1 million people. Are you fucking crazy? What the fuck? Okay. Sure, Mappa. Whatever you do, whatever you say.
バン。
Damn. I don't want it. Okay, Mappa is doing justice, guys. Mappa is doing justice. Oh my god, the animation. Oh my fucking god! Whoa. Damn! What? Wait, let me go back. That was too much. That is so good. I'm speechless. Yo, what the fuck? Look at that! Every single frame! Look! I'm pushing every single frame! There's a movement in every single frame! That's crazy, yo! What? The angel. Some people say I don't know if it's a he or she, they don't say it. Some people say ship him with Aki. That's kind of gay, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. I've been ready to die for ages now. Wait. Aki's touching the guy, and you're supposed to lose years of your life when you touch him, or some shit like that. I don't remember that happening. Okay. I'll teach you how we battle. You're gonna teach me everything. Fuck! You heard the music? Kenshi Yonesu is going wild. He's nuts, yo. Let me hear that again. He's back though. He's back from the opening. That's good. It's a banger, eh? It's kind of a banger now. Shit!